70 divided by 4. Draw your two boxes and label your place values with your 4 on the side, your 70 in the middle, and if you need to, your times tables on the side. Then we know we're going to start in the tens place. So we're going to see what's the closest we can get to 7 without going over. Well, 8 is one too many, so that means it would be 4. I skip counted one time to get there. But remember that 1 is in the tens place. So it's really 10 times 4 is 40. Then we're going to subtract. That would leave me with 30 as my remainder that I will bring up into the next box. Now I know I'm in the ones place, but I also had leftovers from my tens place that I need to use up. So I'm going to see what's the closest to 30 that I can get without going over. I see 28. To get 28, I did 7 times 4, or I skip counted 7 times. When I subtract those, it gives me 2, which is my remainder that I'm going to bring up to the top. My answer I find right here, which is 17, with a remainder of 2.